Now let us start using the pointer in our C program. So we have some points that we have to consider before we start using the pointer in our program. The first one is we have to define the pointer variable and assign the address of a variable to a pointer, and then access the value at the address from the pointer variable. And for accessing the value, we will be using the unary operator, that is star, to get and access the value of the variable from the pointer variable. Let us see with the simple demo how we can utilize the pointer variable. So this is the integer variable, that is n. So above we have declared the integer variable n, and below we have declared the pointer variable of integer type. Now if I am saying pointer variable equals to ampersand n, so we know ampersand n is the address of the variable n. So we are doing nothing but storing the address of variable n to the pointer variable pn. So we have already seen how we can print the address. So let me just print the address of variable n. And also we have stored the address of variable n in pointer variable pn. So if I am printing so we have printed the address of variable n and address stored in pointer variable pn. So as we know, we have assigned the address of variable n to the pointer variable pn. So when we directly print the value of pn, then it will simply print the address that is getting from this ampersand n. Again, if I am trying to print the value from the variable n and the pointer variable pn, so this %d is for printing the value stored in variable n, and this %d is for the value pn. So here, as we know, we have to use the unary operator star in order to access the value from the stored address. So this is storing the address of this variable, and we can access the value of this particular address from the pointer variable via unary operator. So let's see, the address printed over here and here should be the same, and both the values should be the same. So you can see address of variable n is FFF4, and the address is stored in pointer variable pn is FFF4, that is the address of ampersand n, and the value in variable n is 20, and the value in pointer variable pn is 20. So this is how we can assign the address in pointer variable, and this is how we can declare the pointer variable, and this is how we can assign the address of the actual variable to the pointer variable, and this is how we can access the address that is directly stored. If we are accessing the address via ampersand n, then it means we are accessing the actual variable, and if we are accessing the variable from pointer, then we can directly use the pointer name, and if we are trying to access the value from the pointer, then we have to use the unary operator, that is star. So that's all. Thank you so much.